At Chula Vista Elementary School District, we believe that the arts are essential to learning. Our VAPA program specializes in 5 unique pathways: music, visual and media arts, theater, and dance. Each of these fields offers a range of opportunities to fuel students' passion and future success. From theater performances to engaging visual arts projects, our students are hands-on from the start. Chula Vista partners with local and national arts organizations to support our in-school programs while also providing our classroom and VAPA teachers with high-quality training. Some of our partnerships include San Diego Youth Symphony, collaboration of teachers and artists, and Outside the Lens at different school sites across the district. Teaching artists from the San Diego Children's Choir and Arts for Learning also work side by side with our music and dance teachers to build and grow high-quality programs across CVESD. Thanks to the VH1 Save the Music Foundation, 20 school sites across the district have received band and orchestra instruments that go directly into the hands of students. Chula Vista is unique in integrating the arts into the classroom. In math, science, and English, arts are integrated as tools for deepened learning. Select schools in our district work with teaching artists from the La Jolla Playhouse and the Kennedy Center to support classroom teachers. They create engaging lessons that integrate theater into their core curriculum to enhance English language development. Because of the support of our School Board of Education, we're able to provide our students with a high-quality arts education. With all of these opportunities and more, Chula Vista's VAPA program is intent on preparing, empowering, and equipping students in the arts. Give us a call today to see what Chula Vista Elementary School District has to offer.